Hello and welcome to the session. Organizational Behavior LO1. Reflect on own personality and perceptions to understand how individual difference informs and influences management approaches. How does organizational behavior influence management? Explore how personality and perception shape management approaches. This video delves into key concepts of organizational behavior. The goal is to understand how organizational behavior concepts apply to work settings. Students learn to use these principles to explain and predict employee responses. The unit covers culture, power, and politics in organizations. It highlights the influence of these factors on behavior. Students gain skills to enhance performance in various business situations. Organizational behavior studies how individuals act in workplaces. It helps solve managerial problems by predicting behaviors. Individual and group actions can impact company performance. Managers need insights into organizational behavior for effective leadership. This knowledge is crucial for achieving strategic goals. Core management skills are essential for positive outcomes. Students will develop transferable skills and knowledge. Recognizing individual differences is key to creating value. Teamwork and inclusive cultures are emphasized. Successful completion leads to improved organizational performance. Personality is a key individual difference. Approaches include nomothetic and ideographic perspectives. The big 5 dimensions are extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, emotional stability, and openness. Personality tests aid in selection and promotion. Emotional intelligence is linked to personality. Perception is vital for effective relationships. It influences how we understand and communicate with others. Misunderstandings can arise from perceptual errors. Awareness of biases improves interactions. Empathy and open communication are essential. Organization behavior examines individual and group actions in organizations. It draws from psychology, sociology, and management theories. The goal is to improve productivity and effectiveness. Key topics include motivation, communication, and leadership. Understanding these interactions enhances organizational performance. Several approaches study human personality. Psychodynamic theories focus on unconscious influences. Behavioral theories emphasize learned behaviors. Humanistic theories highlight personal growth. Trait and biological approaches explore stable traits and genetic factors. Nomothetic perspectives seek universal traits. Ideographic perspectives focus on individual uniqueness. Both approaches have research implications. Nomothetic allows for standardized measures. Ideographic provides nuanced understanding. The big 5 traits are extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, emotional stability, and openness. These traits are stable across cultures and ages. They predict behavior in various fields. Understanding these traits aids in personal and professional contexts. They are crucial for teamwork and leadership. Culture defines how things are done in organizations. It influences behavior and decision-making. Types include power, role, task, and person cultures. Culture evolves over time or changes suddenly. Understanding culture is key for effective management. 6 major factors shape organizational culture. Size, technology, diversity, age, history, and ownership are crucial. Other influences include risk tolerance and integration. Reward systems and communication patterns also play a role. Culture impacts employee behavior and organizational success. Handy identifies 4 cultural types. Power culture centralizes authority. Role culture relies on structured roles. Task culture focuses on achieving tasks. Person culture values individual needs. Each type impacts organizational dynamics. SHINE outlines 3 culture levels: artifacts, espoused values, and basic assumptions. Leaders create and shape culture. Understanding culture is vital for leadership. It influences organizational change and adaptation. New employees often struggle with basic assumptions. Hofstede identifies 6 cultural dimensions. Individualism, uncertainty avoidance, and power distance are key. Masculinity and long-term orientation also influence behavior. These dimensions explain cross-cultural differences. Understanding them aids in international business. Debates exist around personality dimensions and job performance. Conscientiousness and emotional stability often correlate with success. Personality influences job attitudes and leadership. Teamworking abilities also link to personality traits. Ongoing research explores these connections. Personality assessments aid in selection and promotion. They assist in team building and professional development. Assessments provide insights into strengths and weaknesses. They should be used ethically and with other factors. Trained professionals ensure validity and reliability. Emotional intelligence involves managing emotions and understanding others. It is related to personality but not a trait. Training can improve emotional intelligence skills. It benefits communication, leadership, and relationships. Emotional intelligence enhances personal and professional success. Perception influences attitudes and decision-making. It shapes how we interpret information and interact with others. Stereotyping and self-fulfilling prophecies are common outcomes. Awareness of perceptions can improve behavior. Effective communication relies on understanding these influences. Perceptual errors include stereotyping and unconscious bias. Cultural misunderstandings can arise from different perceptions. Awareness of biases helps avoid these errors. Empathy and open-mindedness improve interactions. Learning about different cultures enhances communication. Attribution theory explores judgments about behavior causes. Internal and external attributions explain actions. Interpersonal perception involves interpreting social interactions. Understanding attributions aids in social interactions. It influences how we perceive and respond to others. In conclusion, reflecting on one's own personality and perceptions is essential for understanding how individual differences influence management approaches. Self-awareness helps managers recognize their strengths, limitations, values, and biases, enabling them to adapt their leadership and communication styles to suit different people and situations. By appreciating how individual differences shape behavior and decision-making, managers can build stronger relationships, improve team dynamics, and create more inclusive and effective working environments. This reflective approach supports personal development and enhances overall management effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.